Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to delete your YouTube account permanently. If you want to delete your YouTube account permanently, this is how you do it. Here on your dashboard, you go to settings. On your left hand side, you go to settings, you click on settings. When you click on settings, you see channel. You see channel, you click on the channel. On the channel, you see basic info, advanced settings, features, eligibility. You go to advanced settings, you click on advanced settings. You scroll down, you go down, you see manage my YouTube account. So you click on manage YouTube account. You click on manage YouTube account, you click on it. When you click on manage YouTube account, it will bring you here. Manage YouTube account, it will bring you here. And here on your left hand side, you see advanced settings on. So you click on advanced settings again. You click on advanced settings. Here you scroll down. You see delete channel. Delete channel. You click on it. Delete channel. When you click on delete channel, here you see the email that you used to register. This is the email that I used to register. But if the email didn't come, it will tell you to enter your email, and next it will tell you to enter your password. So here, this is my email. So here I'll enter the password. So I'm typing my password. Yes, I'm typing my password. So you type your password. Now click on next. Good. Type your password. When you type your password here, you see remove YouTube content. Here you see I want to permanently delete my account. So I want to permanently delete my account. You click on I want to permanently delete your account, and you tick here. See there's a dialog box here. So you tick, you click delete. Here the email that you used to register the Gmail account, you type. So this is the email here. This is the email. So I'll copy the email here and paste. So you type your email there. You type your email. When you type your email and you click delete my content, delete my content, delete. When you do that and you click delete my content, it will automatically delete your content, and also delete your account permanently from YouTube app. So it will automatically delete your content permanently, and automatically delete your account permanently on the YouTube app. Thank you very much. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.